I've been working on my Halloween cards for this year. If you recall, I made this on the lathe last year. I thought it'd be good for pen storage. It works, but I have too many different kinds of pens in here, and I needed certain kinds to decorate these cards. So I am taking a design from Steve Good and revamping it a little bit. So this is my idea for modifying. On the scroll saw, dang it, I never can say that. Scroll saw workshop through Steve Good. He has this design to hold scroll saw blades. And I was like, I wonder if I can use that for pens up in my craft area. And now this is a part of this design where he has the holes, and they're 3/4 diameter holes, 3/4 inch. So one, that seems excessive. I don't think I can fit more than two, but do I want a bigger hole? Something to think about. I have it in Baltic birch. It should be pretty easy to do, you would think, though if you saw my reindeer video. Easy isn't always as easy does. Careful when you're measuring your wood. I keep the battery out of this so it doesn't run it down, but I didn't close it all the way, and now it's saying it's at 0, which is not right. So I had this thought. There's 2 of these. Now we can figure out where I put the other one. And they match. So why not cut 2 boards at once? That way, if the lines are a little wobbly, they match. Alright, so even with the magnifying glass, you can't really see. Let's see if I can change the light. How I did. Overall, these innards look pretty good. There's a little bit of a wobble right there, but hopefully it'll work out. I need to decide if I want to do a handle for this. Otherwise, this is from the same piece of wood, which will make sure it matches, but I didn't have a big enough piece for all of it. And I'm a little concerned about the matching, though that seems pretty close, so that should be okay. But can I get both of these on here to actually do a handle? No. So that may be the decision made for me. I'm assuming that Steve Good actually takes this to the scroll saw. I am going to try and do it on the mill. I don't know about the size though, 3/4 of an inch. I thought I might start with a 1/2 inch, but then I'm worried that drilling it out on top of that is going to be a little bit cumbersome. But maybe I'll take it to the scroll saw after that. So let's try this to start with. should have gone with a Fastener bit to start with. Much better. Not quite sure what I did wrong here. It doesn't fit. Oh, and it's splintering now. Baltic birch. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna have to get my magnifying glass out and look at, because it's not that far off. Look, that one fits pretty well. Maybe it's the tape here that's messing with it. That's what happened with the reindeer. Remember when it fell down? So I thought that it wasn't going to fit, so then I shaved a little bit off of each side, and then it was all wobbly. I think I need to peel everything off of this and sand it a little bit, and then try to put it together to see what happens. Figure out which ones need sanding on the side, because I got it to seem to fit on this side pretty good, though it looks like this guy right here might need some sanding. So maybe that's what I need to do, is just if I can get them out. Oh my. All right, we'll see. All right, so I've got this sanded. Now I needed to decide which sides to point out, or facing out, because of course there's a knot on that side, wouldn't you figure? And I can't get this black off, so that's going to face the back. But overall I'm going to stain it and we'll see how it goes. The piece of Baltic birch that I used to make the pen organizer cost about $20. The organizer I got on Amazon cost about $14. Making it yourself, priceless.